Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a small video I'm doing. We're just doing rain guards on a 2009 Civic. So see, also a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Take a little time, right here, hit the subscribe button and put notification bell on so you don't miss out any of my video. So without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, so here's the sun visor or rain guard. This is where we bought them from. There you go. Okay, so it should be going right up here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then we're gonna install it. So let's do it. All right guys, so all you need some rubbing alcohol, lint free. So let's clean the area real quick. So let's take out the tape and start lining it up. I cleaned this up already. All right, let's just take out the cover for the tape. Okay guys, I already lined this up, so now I'm just gonna slowly take this tape out and then run it back. I know everything already lined up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? There you go, looks really good. Okay guys, next side. All right guys, so it's ready. Now let's get this ready. There's not much we need to do, just clean it up a little bit. Take some of the dirt off so nothing sticks when I take out the tape. Nothing sticks to it. Okay, so same scenario. Take this piece of tape off. All right guys, so here it is. Not too sure about this. It kind of sticks out a little bit, but I think it should be okay. There you go. Looks good, right? Looks how clean that looks. Must look OEM. She's done. All right guys, so this one is all done. So looks good. It was a simple project, anybody can do it, but anyway, it's a quick video. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, peace.